Hi, my name is Samarth, and after attending this 2 days workshop, I think I've gained a great understanding of how to instantly hypnotize. I have previous experience in hypnotizing, but that is through long processes, and this was super interesting and so effective that in the first practice itself, I was able to hypnotize a person, a batchmate in the class. I think that is phenomenal. The whole sessions, the 2 days are filled and packed with practical exercises and sessions. I just love it, and I think I would really recommend that anyone and everyone should go through this. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm Dr. Kokila. I'm a doctor turned entrepreneur. I'm very happy to attend the 2-day workshop in which for the first time, just in 2 days, you were able to do the practical techniques, and I also did the technique, and that's why I'm very happy. I had previously attended weeks of hypnosis course where we didn't even get to do the actual hypnosis. Here just in 2 days you were able to practically do it. That gave us a lot of confidence. So I'm really happy with this program. Thank you, sir.
Everyone, I'm Dr. Kishore. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a practicing periodontist. I had done a few online courses, but I wanted always to explore a offline hypnosis course. Of course, I learned it from the master Magic Leo himself. I don't know how the 2 days went, and everything was in a flow. And the best part is, even from the first day, first session, you begin to practice hypnosis on others, and thoroughly worthwhile course. I highly recommend. I'll be back for more.